This you must expect. Love gets slippery when it's wet.
And authentic figure than you might think from the opening scenes where she arrives in the airport with the clutching the dog, both wearing pink fluffy outfits, right? And what I would now, here's my non-spoiler alert is episode 5. So this is a show which is like mostly, to start off with, certainly it's in the girls format, a comedy. Most episodes are around the 30-35 minute mark. Then you get to episode 5, which is an hour long. And episode 5, and I'm not going to spoil it, but it is
finally.
Whoa. What the bloody hell are you doing? What the frick are you doing? Wow.
You gotta be shitting me!
Shit show. Those fuckheads on the scooters, cops are going to go for them or what? He's going to shit himself and stuck it because he's looking over his shoulder. Fucking idiots.
You know the two kids on the moped? Rose knows them.
Skinny little kid.
I pulled my pants all the way to my ankles to piss. No, she's because I was getting the test pill thing.
okay.
And you have to pull your pants down a certain amount so that the doctor can get in there. And he puts like this sterile, like, it's not a cloth, but it's like a...
Out of the way, Dopey!
Us Europeans with brown people. I don't know. That was fucking clever, mate. But, not sure that's how everybody feels like this, or against migrants. There are... gonna go through on a fucking red light, aren't you, moron?
We're like, now you're losing your place.
Yes,
and then
you
what
are.
does Nixon do with his power is he deregulates corporate America, right? So
Oh my god, you know what I could go for right now? Those rolls that have a Texas steakhouse. The Texas toast.
week after week, I'm really looking forward to the next time we all get together to talk nerdy.
Got a fucking arrow, moron.
At Bunnings Trade, no matter where you are, we're here to help. Our builders team with dedicated account managers has got you covered at every building stage, from the front fence out to space.
Yeah.
I don't mind that.
We should start a themed restaurant. The menu is really, really good. I guess, I don't know, but with the pulse styles, with these styles that are pulsing, with the set styles that we're able to measure distance with.
And even more than you, he hosts Q&As and everything. So he's a friend of mine. But I was like, I didn't know. I think he's kept it secret. I don't know. But Scott Bryan pops up, and then I did ask him about it. I DM'd him about it, and apparently he had to go to. So they recreate the BAFTAs.
Oh, what the fuck is going on? Fucking, what the fuck?
Yeah, look at that. 150. Yeah, that's going on Dashcam.
Vacuuming the drains.
Fucking Audi driver. Nope, that's a Jeep, sorry.
Back door, huh? Good idea.
You little fucker.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
He's going to have an accident. He's going to change lanes and someone else is going to change lanes at the same time, and that's going to be it. More hard rubbish.
He's going to cut back in again. Jesus Christ.
I want to ring him and tell him. Alex, you're a fucking idiot. Stop driving like a dick.
Going to cut across again.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh no! It's going to happen. I told you. Alex, stop it! What are you doing? What are you doing?
A few minutes later.
Yep.
Yep, there it goes.
It's yellow.
It's yellow.
It's yellow. It's red.
Oh, look what he was going to do.
Guy in front of him went through red.
Oh. You just get... Oh! Lock the video. Lock the video.
We got one!
dogs that they wanted. His pictures weren't as good as they could have been. He could have done better. Oh.
He's just
Locked a video.
Lock the video.
Suffering your jocks.
Oh my god!
All I really need is a little good news. All I really need is a little something bring me back to the middle.
Video protected.
All I really need is a little.
Hey, it's Bill and Woody. It is a Thursday. I hope you're having a great drive home. If you need to get yourself together, really, then look no further than the.
Well, you know, Gino told me about it a long. Your brother Gino, who I've been friends with for years, told me about it a long time ago. That you guys were doing this, and I was like, really? All right, interesting. And then I watched. I'm like, this is fucking great. It's right up my alley.
You would show clips all the time, and it would drive Gino nuts. And then finally, it got named.
Motherfucker.
Oh my god.
Sorry. But fuck, we got busted. That dude read the foreword and was like, guys, we got a problem. Yeah, that's.
It's become an ethics-based personality conversation, hasn't it? It's not here are my facts, here are your facts, let's put them together. It's no, I am not one to be taken in